In a world where lighting shapes our spaces and moods, innovative control technologies pave the way for smarter, more efficient environments. Meet the trio leading this revolution. Introducing the O10V control system, an analog lighting solution that stands the test of time. Effortless to install and operate, O10V is cost-effective and compatible with a wide array of lighting devices. Discover the power of pulse width modulation, or PWM. Our lighting solutions provide seamless dimming and vibrant color transitions, whether it's transforming your home, enhancing your workspace, or lighting up the night. PWM offers precise control for any setting. With DALI, each light becomes a masterpiece of precision, offering individual control to tailor the ambience to your exact needs. Create the perfect environment with the touch of a button. Each offers unique benefits in controlling light intensity, color, and energy consumption. Photocell interfaces act like the eyes of these systems. Also known as photoelectric sensors, they harness the power of light and automatically adjust lighting based on ambient conditions, turning lights off at dawn and on at dusk. From basic 3-pin controls to advanced 7-pin systems, Photocell interfaces offer a range of functionalities to suit your needs. Integration is key. Whether it's a bustling city street or a quiet parking lot, these technologies work together to provide efficiency and control. From city streets to corporate offices, the integration of these systems has proven to enhance safety, comfort, and sustainability. The future is bright with potential. As IT and AI continue to evolve, lighting systems will become even more intelligent and responsive. Join us in embracing the future of lighting. Together, we can illuminate a path toward smart, more sustainable living. Discover how you can transform your lighting with integrated control technologies today.